Hello everyone, this is Pragya Devan and you're watching Voice News Network. And today I'm joined by Mr. Raman Dua, who's CEO and founder of SaveMac International. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today.
Thank you, Pragya.
So, sir, as you mentioned a lot about your career, first thing I want to ask you is when someone gets into real estate, they start from being a realtor and then they stay as a realtor all their life. But you became an entrepreneur. So tell me something about that journey.
Pragya, that journey started somewhere in 2007 when I joined my career as a realtor. And the major challenge which I could understand and identify at that time in the industry is I used to look towards these big realtors who were a success story at one point of time. And then I could see they are leading nowhere in their life. They started their career as a realtor and they will end up their career as a realtor. Yeah. So this was the first thought which I came into my mind that I said, you know what? I am born as a realtor now, but I'm not going to die as a realtor. So my aspiration was to take that journey to the entrepreneurship. So keeping that in mind, I launched my own brand in 2010, and we started SaveMax from the basement of a house at that time. And even that time, we designed very innovative concepts for the industry, which really created a lot of revolution, I would say. Mm-hmm. It was list your house for $999. So from there, we kept moving on to this journey, and today here we are where we have really created an amazing and successful brand which is ready to conquer the world, I would say.
Yeah, and talking about the innovations, you mentioned that when you started your business, you were keen on bringing new things on the table.
Right.
And something on the same line you have done right now with the new initiative, and I want you to tell our viewers what that initiative is.
All right. So Pragya, this is what I learned in my life as an entrepreneur. We want to work on a problem and provide a solution. So if we are able to identify the right problem and provide a solution which people they like, which is as per their need, then you can build up a big business. Yeah. So I started that when I started my career to build up SaveMax. The biggest challenge of the industry at that time was either there was big brand as an option who were charging 5 to 6%, and that is what that was a challenge for me because I was working with one of a so-called big brand, and there were so many restrictions for me. They did not want me to come up with the creativity, come up with some innovative concepts where I can offer the best services to my client by charging them reasonable. Yeah. So I understood that problem, and then I decided, you know what? They will not let me do this. I have to do something of my own. So I opened SaveMax, and then we came up with this concept of $999, where the customer could have got the best services, but by paying a reasonable amount of commission. Yeah. And that really was a great success. The simple reason, we identified the problem and we provided a solution. Yeah. So we started building up the brand on that. Now came in around 2018, 2019, when we have really established SaveMax as $1 billion transaction in 1 year. So then I realized all these realtors, they need to understand this, that they have to take their career to the next level, because I have proven it by taking myself out of a realtor journey and putting up myself into an entrepreneur journey. But the problem at that time in the industry was that all this growth was not the mindset of the realtor. Because these big brands, they were blocking their mind. That was their business. Yeah. They did not want them to grow. So there was nobody who was taking an initiative onto it. And it was considered as opening up the brokerage belongs to elite class only. You need at least $500,000 or $1 million in your pocket if you want to take yourself to the next level. Yeah. So then we designed another innovative concept where we started giving a franchisee to a common realtor. Oh. By taking care of all their needs, either it was front office, back office, RICO compliance, their accounting, everything we kept it in-house for them. Mm-hmm. And we brought the economies of scale in the business. So now that economies of scale brought the cost down, and it was affordable for every realtor to take themselves to the next level. And that was the reason why within 2 years, we were able to build up a very strong network of more than 50 franchises all across the country. We were able to take our business operations on the international level in India as well. Oh, wow. And now we are aspiring to go in 11 countries in the world in next 3 years. Mm-hmm. Now comes the biggest challenge of the real estate industry, which is faced by almost 80 to 90% of the realtor. So Pragya, before I talk about that, I'll give you some stats. Okay. 90% of the brand new realtors who join the real estate industry, they leave within first 12 months. Just imagine how big that number is. 65 to 70% of the realtor, they're working as part-timers.
Oh.
Look at it, how big this number is. So imagine these two big numbers, how much these people can contribute to the industry if they get an opportunity to come full-time into the business, or if they get an opportunity to become successful. Now, what are the two basic problems? Why they are not successful? Why they are forced to work as a part-timer? First problem, there is no right platform who is willing to hold their hand and take them to the level of success. So we at SaveMax created that platform where in that platform, people, they come, join, and they are being provided that hand-holding services for first 6 months, and then later on, how they have to grow. So they get that mentorship.
Okay.
So that really created success for more than 90% of the people in our organization.
So in a nutshell, you're not only doing good things for your own business, you're actually helping other realtors to get into this business full time.
Absolutely, and that is what my belief of business is. That is what the theory I built up in my life. Creating success for others is the real success for me.
Yeah.
Right? So now how can we help these 90% of the brand new realtor and 65 to 70% of the part-timers? First, we created that platform where they can come, they can get that mentorship, they can get that hand-holding, they can get the support in their initial days.
Yeah.
Now, there is another big problem. I should not say that is a problem. That is basically the dynamics of the industry, right? The dynamics is when a realtor do a deal, and when they get their money when the deal close actually.
Oh.
Right? That's a normal way of doing business. Now, this dynamics stops many people to come full-time into the industry because normally a resale deal closes in 3 to 4 months and a pre-construction deal takes 3 to 4 years to close. And same happens with the commercial.
Yeah.
Right? That stops them because they are not able to take that first jump because they have to run their families for that 3-4 months. They have to take care of their kids, pay their mortgage. So they are not able to take that courage to come full-time in the industry.
Yeah.
So we again thought about that problem, and I realized that problem belongs to a big part of the industry. So we are breaking the jinx of almost hundreds of years of the real estate industry where people, they used to get paid after the closing.
Yeah.
So in our system, which we named as sign deal today, get paid today.
Oh, wow.
So what happens is a realtor, when they are writing a deal and making the deal firm for their clients, they just have to submit the documents to the office and they get paid their commission right away.
That's so wonderful.
And that too before the closing. So just imagine, it will help a part-time realtor to come full-time into the industry because now he doesn't have to wait for that 3-4 months.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It will help a brand new realtor to come and establish himself in the business because the day he writes a deal, the day he firms it, he's getting his check right away.
Yeah.
And many realtors, they want to grow their business, but they have a problem of the cash flow.
Yeah.
So now that problem really again is a hindrance of their growth. Now they have that cash flow problem solved.
Exactly.
And they can invest this money into the growth of their business.
Yeah.
So this concept of sign deal today, get paid today is going to change the dynamics of the real estate industry. It is a revolution which is going to redefine real estate, not only in this country, but all across the world.
Yeah. And you mentioned that you are planning to take SaveMax on like international level. So are you going to take these policies there as well, or are these only limited to Canada?
See, Pragya, right now it's in a testing phase. So we are starting this from the resale transaction and that too in Canada. But of course, like my idea, my vision is to take this to the other part of the world as well. So we will be extensively working on this. And see, we want a common realtor to get a dream of becoming successful in the industry.
Yeah.
So for 2022, I kept a target that I am going to bring at least 1,000 brand new realtors or the part-time realtors full-time into the industry.
Yeah.
Right? And once we get success in that, then of course that we will be very happy to take that success to the other parts of the world.
So let's talk about this initiative more. What other features you are planning to come up with in this sign deal that you just mentioned?
Yes. Sign deal today, get paid today.
Get paid today.
Now, the first question which is going to come into anybody's mind, or you might think as well, what is the cost involved into it? How much interest you are charging? Because if we are giving money in advance, of course everybody would think
Nothing
that
is for free.
nothing is for free, right? There should be hefty interest. Pragya, I'll share one more stats with you. So if a realtor goes to a company which do this cash advances and all that stuff, they have to pay 26 to 35% of the interest.
Okay.
Very hefty interest. In SaveMax, you get that facility at 0% interest to you. 0%. Now people will be thinking why we are doing it, right? Too good to be true, right? It is too good, but it is true. Now I'll tell you why we are doing it. First of all, I'm doing it because of a personal reason. This industry has given a lot to me. I want to say thanks to real estate fraternity of giving me this much success and building SaveMax brand onto a level where we are thinking of taking this to the global platform. Now, this is a personal wish where I want to help my realtor community and support them and give them one more reason to come full-time into the industry. So I'm working on a vision for that. Now, second, of course, there is a business interest into it. If I am supporting them onto that, they are going to become part of SaveMax family.
Yeah.
Right? Yes, I might make some less money. I might help them, support them, but it is going to help me to grow my business.
Yeah, for sure.
So it is something which is called as an win-win situation, I would say. And that is what I learned in entrepreneurship. It's always creating that win-win situation. So I'm creating a win situation for them and I'm creating a win situation for myself.
That's really nice. So you mentioned that you are going to help realtors get into this business full time. Is there anything that a first time home buyer would get out of this, or people who want to get into real estate market?
Wow. Pragya, believe me, indirectly it's a very intelligent question, because clients might be thinking, I'm trying to do it for realtors, what is in it for me? But just imagine, you get an opportunity to work with the realtor who is a part-timer, and you get an opportunity to work with the realtor, it's a full-timer. Who is going to help you? Who is going to serve you better?
The full timer.
There you go. So if I am working on bringing these people full-time in the industry, it is definitely going to enhance the service level.
Yes.
It is definitely going to benefit the clients, first-time buyers or the sellers in one way or the another, because I am raising the bar of the industry.
Yeah.
I am making industry more competitive, more productive for them, so that they can get the best services.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, many times people don't understand the value of this, but it is always beneficial. And I always tell people, a good realtor will always compensate his commission by his professional work. So this is going to apply over there.
Yeah. So as you mentioned, it's a win-win situation for the buyers and sellers as well, for the realtors as well, and for you too.
Of course, this is what my job is.
No, that's a really wonderful initiative. So before we wrap up, anything else you want to tell our viewers who are maybe like, a real estate agent or somebody who is planning to get into this market? What would be your message to them?
Yeah, Pragya, I want to give a very strong message to my young generation, to the youngsters. We came in this profession by a chance. Our objective was to make money. But with the time I learned, money is a byproduct of a vision. Money is a byproduct of a hard work. Money is the byproduct of success. We adopted this as a last choice. But this is one of the best profession in the world. Pragya, tell me any other profession where somebody, a high school graduate, can do a white collar job and can make six-figure income. Real estate is the one. So to my young generation, I'm young too though.
Of course.
Adopt this as the first choice of your profession. I want a small kid to start thinking about it. You know what? I want to adopt real estate as my profession. I know people aspire to become doctors, engineers, architects. Nobody aspires to become a realtor. Nobody aspires to think that I'm going to go in real estate as a profession. This is what the thought process what I want to bring, especially into my young generation. So I will help you, I will support you wherever you need, but make sure consider real estate as a profession for you.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of opportunities in this profession. If we all start working together and change our thought process, we can make this as the best profession in the world.
For sure. And I think the initiatives that you're bringing and the innovation that you're bringing, I think that is going to help a lot of people out there too.
Absolutely. So if you want to get more information about this, you can of course visit our website, which is another amazing platform where you can access almost 135,000 listings. You can get the sold properties in all across GTA. Like you can access the sold data over there. And on top of it, you can find out the value of your property online on our platform, which is SaveMax, www.savemax.com. And if you want to get more information about this, our new initiative, which we call is Sign Deal Today, Get Paid Today. You can go on to www.savemax.com and you can find out all the information over there. And if you need to have some clarifications, you can fill up the form and our team can definitely get in touch with you to provide all the accurate and exact information for you.
So it's very easy for all our viewers to get in touch with them. You can find the details at the bottom of your screen, and if there is any question, you can straight away go to the website, check out various initiatives that Mr. Ramandoe is talking about. And yeah, I think you have made it very easy for everyone.
Of course, that is what my job is.
So thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. Thank you.
Thank you, Pragya, and thank you for giving me an opportunity to get in face to face with your viewers.